this video, we are going to discuss about the difference between primitive and reference data type. Primitive data types are basically built-in data type, whereas reference data type are complex and user-defined data type. Primitive data types use only to store single values, whereas reference data types are used to store multiple values at a time. As you know, primitive data types are basic built-in data types. So their types are like int, character, float. So they are using single values. Whereas reference data types are user-defined data types. So they are using complex structures like arrays, strings, and classes. Primitive data type stores actual value of the data. Suppose I define int a equal to 10, so it stores 10 exactly inside its memory location, whereas reference data type stores the address of actual data. If defined as string, say string s equal to hello, so hello is stored somewhere in memory 1001, but s stores the value of 1001 in it, and this 1001 is storing the value hello, which is stored somewhere else in memory. They use less memory, whereas reference data type use more memory, because as you know that memory used to store the data with the help of some space it used to occupy. Primitive data types are defined from 1 byte for character to about 8 bytes for double, whereas reference data types generally used to store the address of the memory, address of the variable, which may be vary from 4 to 8 bytes. But actually, if I am storing the string of hello string comprises of 5 characters of 1 byte each, so it stores near about 5 bytes, or it may vary from, if the string is more, it can vary from 20 to 40 bytes in a single variable. So that's why the use of memory in primitive is very less, and in reference it is more. The speed is fast, because if I am going to access directly a variable, it requires a small time to access the data. But while I have to go to the particular address and then I have to access any particular data, it will take some time. Time will be more. So speed will be very slow in a reference type of data type. The value of int cannot be null. If I am declaring any variable, I cannot declare it as a null type. But if I am using a reference data type, I can definitely use it as a null. So this is the main difference between primitive and reference data type. Thank you.